Weather Lab. Here's Bradley's forecast.
All right, well, showers hanging around a little bit longer than expected this evening across Acadiana. Now, western parishes relatively quiet. Most of this pretty much Lafayette on eastward, and we did see some pretty impressive thunderstorms earlier this evening, especially in portions of Iberia Parish, where some of you picked up around 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. That's after we saw similar amounts in portions of Jeff Davis and Acadia parishes earlier this morning. So again, the good news is most of this activity generally on a weakening trend. They're not nearly as strong as what they were, say, about an hour ago. They're trying to nudge their way westward, but very, very slowly. So again, still tracking light to moderate shower activity here from Maurice all the way down to Abbeville, same into Delcom. A little bit heavier activity moving over Lydia as we speak into New Iberia, Jeanerette, St. Martinville, rain coming down there a little bit farther to the north. Again, some of this sneaking into, we'll say, Breaux Bridge and also Lafayette. So rain chances, we'll say, around 40 to 60% over the next couple of hours, but models haven't been doing the best of jobs, but I think by about midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, the bulk of this is going to start to wind down. So here's the big picture satellite radar composite. Notice this swirl out here in the Gulf of Mexico, just south of the Florida Panhandle there. This is actually Invest 90L. Hurricane Center gives us about a 10% chance to develop here over the next couple of days, but really that is not likely. Regardless, that is going to be bringing squally weather to portions of the southeast over the next few days, and kind of on the back side of that feature, we are seeing wraparound moisture, and that's what's giving us the scattered showers out there late this evening. But actually, as that feature continues to push off to the northeast, we're going to see drier air moving into Acadiana. That, coupled with our first plume of Saharan dust, is actually going to lower our rain chances into tomorrow. So we start our Monday upper 60s to lower 70s. We'll call it partly to mostly cloudy out there. It's going to be a warm day, certainly warmer than today, mid to upper 80s for that high, but still with the heating of the day late in the afternoon going into tomorrow evening. We can't totally rule out maybe a few isolated pop-up showers and or thunder showers, but we'll say rain chances at around 30%. Tuesday starts out low to mid 70s, and then we're going to have another upper level feature swinging on through. That, coupled with the moist Gulf atmosphere that we have in place, is going to yield to a pretty healthy chance of scattered showers and storms. And again, like today, some locally heavy downpours certainly will be possible. Much of the same as we head into Wednesday, and actually some of that could linger into Thursday morning before finally we get a push of drier air in here late Thursday, and then going into the Memorial Day weekend and actually the weekend ahead. Looks pretty good. As far as additional rainfall totals, this is the European model showing most of us could pick up around 2 to 4+ inches of rainfall. We compare that with the GFS, pretty much showing a similar story, slightly lower amounts. Again, and all of this is going to fall through about early Thursday morning. But of course, like today, if you get 1 or 2 heavy thunderstorms, that sets up over your locale for a couple of hours. Certainly that can produce some higher rainfall rates. So again, upper 60s, lower 70s by tomorrow morning. We'll top it out mid to upper 80s into the afternoon under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Rain chances at 30%, 60 to 70% Tuesday into Wednesday. And again, some of that lingers into early Thursday morning. And finally, sunshine actually going to be back by Thursday afternoon. Morning lows there on Friday morning. Check it out, lower 60s. So going to feel pretty comfortable, especially for the time of year. And in fact, lower humidity is going to be in place on Friday. Lots of sunshine, so that's looking like the nicest day out of the week by far. Weekend doesn't look bad. Memorial Day weekend into Memorial Day itself. Sky mostly sunny to partly cloudy, but a little bit hotter, upper 80s and lower 90s.
All right, we'll keep watching it. He'll keep